Find out how to lose 9 pounds of belly fat with 2 glasses of this recipe a day. Watch the video until the end to find out. This recipe is a real gold mine because it does something that goes far beyond just helping you lose weight. It eliminates the parasites from your body that prevent your body from losing weight. Curious? I'll tell you how, but first, I want to know the city where you're watching this video. The ingredients used are easily found in your kitchen and may even go unnoticed. But today you will know your true worth. It may even seem that to lose weight, it is enough to burn the body fats that are given away in a body store to be used in an emergency situation such as lack of food, for example. But there are other energy stores in our body, in addition to fat. And they are carbohydrates, glycogen, muscle, and protein. If you change the way your body uses these energy stores, you also automatically change the way your body uses fats. When you feel a strong urge to eat something sweet or salty and this craving is easily satisfied after eating, this is perfectly normal, but now when these cravings become more frequent than normal and are not easily satisfied, it means that you suffer from a high level of stress or worse, it could be that you have parasites living in your stomach. When you consume amounts of candy frequently, it creates a mucus environment conducive to the proliferation of parasites, and this environment also favors the multiplication of bacteria and fungi, so these cravings to eat more are related to unwanted creatures. And now you will learn how to get rid of fat deposits and parasites that live in your body. Ingredients: 100 grams of flaxseed and 10 grams of dried cloves. Preparation method number 1. If you have a grinder, grind these 2 ingredients and always drink 2 tablespoons of this powder in the morning, which can be mixed with water or coffee and even juice. Preparation mode 2. Place these 2 ingredients in a blender and blend until completely crushed. After that, put it in a glass and drink without straining. The right way to consume this recipe is to take it 3 days in a row in the morning. Then, take a break for another 3 days and take it again for days in a row, and so on. After a month, the difference will be so absurd that you will come to tell us about your experience in the comments. But what about you? Do you want or need to lose weight, and did you know that parasites can be getting in the way of your slimming? Tell me there. Until the next video. Goodbye.